Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather pattern for the next several days. And you can see that we are still watching the upper level ridge over the Gulf of Mexico, which is going to keep us warm. Also watching a disturbance off the coast of California, which promises to give us a shot for some thunderstorms this weekend. We actually could see a few thunderstorms for your Wednesday. Let's jump right into the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, indicating a marginal risk for all of the ArkLaTex. Now, this means an isolated storm or two could be on the strong side. FUTURECAST has been hinting over the last couple of days that we might see something try to form over the southern sections of the area tomorrow afternoon into Wednesday evening. So here's a look at Robinson FUTURECAST. You can see that tonight we're going to be looking at a mostly cloudy sky across the region. And then tomorrow we'll see kind of a mix of clouds and sunshine. Notice late in the day a few scattered thunderstorms beginning to pop up over mainly the southern sections of the ArkLaTex. Now keep in mind, other models do show a few storms firing up over the northwestern sections of the region. So all of us will have a chance. Those chances are looking rather slow. It really depends on where the storms decide to fire up. And you can see that activity will continue through the evening and then gradually move out of the region Wednesday night. Now, as far as the severity, let's talk about a couple of things that we'll be watching for in terms of any threats. FUTURECAST hinting that if we do see those storms develop, it's possible we might have a little bit of hail in spots. You can see the model does show, again, I-20 and point south is where that may occur. As far as any twisting in the atmosphere, you can see FUTURECAST does indicate that that could be something we'll be watching for, again, mainly south of Interstate 20 as we go through Wednesday evening. You can see these areas here where rotation is being indicated by the model. So that's something that we'll also be watching for. Now keep in mind, the risk is looking very, very low at this point, but nonetheless, it is going to remain a possibility. Now, longer range, we'll be watching that disturbance, which, as I mentioned, off the coast of California. Let me move this forward here for the next couple of days. You can see that system gradually inching its way towards the east. And as we head into Saturday afternoon, it finally emerges into West Texas. We'll see some showers and thunderstorms develop. Now, there is still some question on timing and exactly severity. It's quite possible the stronger storms will stay to our south. Some models do indicate that we could see, some decent storms in parts of our area. But the farther south you live, I think Saturday, the better your chances of maybe seeing some severe thunderstorms Saturday, late Saturday afternoon through Saturday night as this system pushes its way through the region. We'll have some leftover rain possible for Easter Sunday, and then we'll kind of settle into a drier weather pattern as we go through the first half of next week. And we could see a decent amount of rainfall from these two systems coming in. You can see that this particular model is showing that the heaviest totals will be across the southern sections of the ArkLaTex, where 1 to 1.5 inches possible. But keep in mind, other models do have a little bit more. So the potential is there for some strong storms late Saturday, possibly as late as Easter Sunday morning, with the potential for a couple of inches of rain, especially across the southern sections of the area. So your 7-day forecast looks like this. We will see the heat tomorrow again, still looking at 90 for the daytime high. Not really too much as far as rainfall for Thursday and Friday as temperatures ease into the low to middle 70s. Pretty good shot for the thunderstorms Saturday, and that rain will linger into Easter Sunday, and then we'll cool off heading into next week with highs falling into the 60s, lows falling into the low to middle 40s as we go into the first part of next week. So all in all, slight chance for a few strong storms tomorrow, better chance for more widespread showers and thunderstorms as we look ahead to the weekend.